In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn off Google Newsfeed widget screen on any Android. If you're using the Android devices, for example, if you swipe left, you can see over here you'll be able to find the Google Newsfeed. So if you want to get rid of it, it is actually very simple. This process will work for all the Android devices. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Over here what you have to do is find the option for apps and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the apps interface. Tap on this option, see all apps. Now you'll be able to see all the applications over here. What you have to do is simply find the option for Google. Once you find it, tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the app info interface of Google. So if you want to turn off the Google Newsfeed, what you have to do is tap on the disable option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option, disable app. Now once you do that, you can see over here Google application has been disabled. Now you can go back to the home screen. Now if you swipe left, you can see over here you'll no longer be able to see the Google Newsfeed. So like this, you'll be able to turn it off. So that is how you turn off Google Newsfeed widget screen on any Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.